Directly ahead of us is the Algoma Steel Mill. It is the largest employer in Sault Ste. Marie. The steel mill is presently in the process of becoming a state-of-the-art facility and readying itself for the future, seeing itself as one of the greenest steel producers in North America. It will be able to do this by reducing its carbon footprint and ending its current coal-based steelmaking process. There are currently three main raw materials that go into steelmaking. The black material to our left behind the grass berm is coal, from which large quantities of coke is produced, which in turn is used to fire the blast furnaces. The whitish material is limestone. And limestone is crushed into a powder to produce a material called quicklime, which acts as a catalyst in the steel making. The third main raw material is located on the dock just ahead of us. This purplish colored material is taconite iron ore pellets. All three raw materials are shipped to Algoma Steel by water on self-unloading vessels. The coal originates from various mines in West Virginia, where it is then railed to Toledo, Ohio, and shipped by water to Algoma Steel. The limestone comes from various quarries near Alpena, Michigan. And the iron ore comes from various mines in Michigan and from the Mesabi Range near Duluth, Minnesota. Every year, Algoma Steel handles about 3.5 million tons of iron ore, 1.5 million tons of coal, and about 300,000 tons of limestone. By 2024, Algoma Steel is slated to have its 2 electric arc furnaces operational. Algoma Steel is increasing its capacity to produce energy from its steam cogeneration plant and will also be tapping into the provincial grid for the balance of their power requirements. This transformation to electric arc furnaces will allow Algoma Steel to meet its social responsibility of reducing its greenhouse gas emissions by about 70%.